Good afternoon and welcome to MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. My name is Chris Honig and today I'm going to be showing you the 2018 Galeon 460 Flybridge. On the aft of the boat we have beautiful cocktail seating that encompasses 8 guests, and then we have a nice teak swim platform on the back. If you like to entertain family and friends at sea, this is a wonderful boat for indoor-outdoor dining and entertainment. We have a nice sliding door with three panels that leads into the galley. We have a microwave, refrigerator, and 2 stovetop electric grill. We then go in to the galley for the dining seating, and then we have a nice settee for 2 as well over here on the starboard side. As we approach the helm, we have a 12-inch Raymarine Axiom chart plotter, a Volvo Penta vessel view, and we have electric trim tabs as well on this boat. Now we're going to go down and take a tour of the 3 staterooms down below for entertaining and sleeping all your guests. For extended cruising, the 460 Fly has a nice 3 stateroom, 2-head layout. As we go into the master stateroom, we have a full beam and a midships with a queen-size berth. A nice bathroom as well, private bathroom for the master. Notice all the beautiful teak inlays and attention to detail in this boat, which everything's done in-house in Galeon's facility. As we head to the front of the boat, we have a 4-peak VIP with a queen-size berth as well, which is nice for entertaining 2 couples. This connects to another full-size head that can be used for the VIP berth and for the 2-bunk bed, a bath, the starboard of the VIP. As you can see, this cabin has lots of natural light. Now we're going to take a tour of the Flybridge. Now we're up top on the Flybridge for the 460 Galeon. We have an upper helm station with all identical controls from down below. And we have a nice sun pad area up in the bow. A summer kitchen with a refrigerator and 2-burner grill and sink. And then we have lots of entertaining area and seating for guests, as well as a fold-out cockpit table. Again, my name is Chris Honig, and thank you for touring the 2018 Galeon 460 Fly today, and look forward to getting you down for a sea trial. And you can reach me at 910-617-3646. Thanks and have a great day.